gonna pull out this one, guys. This is potato. Yeah. I'm not sure. Where's the potato? Yeah. It's not that big. This is a small potato. Might be it will become big if there's a space. Ooh. See? And guys. Oh. Actually, there's no space. Yeah. So we don't have much, but it's okay. Ayan, guys. This is small potato only. See? So we'll check, guys, kung meron pa. Ayan. Oh, meron pa. Ala, sa lalim. Wait a minute. Meron, malaki. Wait a minute. Meron pa. Lalaki pa siguro to, guys. Anyway. Wala kasi akong space, guys. Tinapon ko lang dito before yung lumang potato. Ayan. Nagtubo naman siya. I'll check here. Ayan. Diba? Ala. Meron pa. Ala. Tingnan natin sa ilalim. Ala. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Diba? Kung nilagay ko to sa malaking space, siguro bibigyan niya ako ng maraming crops. Diba? It's alright. I'm not sure the rest. I'm alright though. Ayan. Ano pa? Baka meron pa sila. Check natin. Ayan. Baka meron pa. Ayan. Maliit lang siya, guys. It needs more time. Let's see. Wala na siguro, guys. Ayan. Maliliit lang. Kasi walang espasyo. Kaya dapat to. Ayan, guys. See? Ala. Ala. Ayan. Tingnan niyo yan, guys. Ayan. I never expect this. Maraming. Ayan. Enough na siguro, guys. So, ito, guys. Ayan. Maliliit yung iba. Kasi it's not time. Pero, alisin na natin kasi dry na yung Ayan. So, ayan. Lalaki pa sana to eh. Pero anyway, wala na. Kasi wala nga space.